Hi guys, we have got here the SteelSeries Siberia V1 full side headset, and now I'm going to unbox this headphone. It has got an additional clip-on mic, and this is the headphone. So here SteelSeries tells about the frequency, impedance and cable length. The headphone has got 1 meter fixed cable and you can extend it to 2.8 meters, and the frequency of microphone is told here. The SteelSeries here, SteelSeries tells about itself. And when you buy this headphone, make sure you have this Faxtel seal on this. I have broken this because I have listened to this headphone before, so I'm going to unbox it. So here's the headphone, and inside this you get this warranty card, which has got 12 months warranty. And here is the headphone. So this cable is attached to the left hand side of the headphone. Here's the left hand side. This is all made up of steel, and a very nice white color is given to it. Plus here is a grill given, which feels very premium. And here is the big drivers in which your whole ear can go inside. Then here is suspended type headband, which SteelSeries says that it gives you a lot of comfort. Then here you get the clip-on mic. It has a very long wire clip-on mic which you can clip it to your shirt, and you can also turn off or turn on the mic when you want it. So it is, and it is the extension. This thing is an extension of the cable, so it will go inside this, and you can control the volume through this scroll. And when you club it with this, it will make a long 2.8 meter wire. So if you have a desktop, then it is very good. And it is also get these clips, so you can clip on your mic like this inside this, and it is all present in all around the wire. And this is the headphone. So I will show you how it looks like on my head. My whole ear is covered with this headphone, and it's comfortable but a little bit heavier. And I have listened to its sound. Its sound is very good for playing games. Thank you. So I have played a song on this headphone, Siberia V1, and you can clearly hear through this headphone because here they have provided some open space so that when you play a game and your partner says something, so you can hear it. That's why the sound is coming out. And when you wear this headphone, the sound also go out, and you can hear what someone says to you. So this is a good feature, although some people will not like this feature because the sound will go out. Steel series is printed here, all made up of steel. This thing, so it's durable. This thing looks like plastic or some fiber type. So here is the headphone with its extending cable and mic, and here is the all the documentation that you get with this headphone. Then here's the side of the headphone, and this is the extension cable and the mic, and this is the extension cable with the volume control. It also comes in black color like this, and also comes in the red color like this. And these are all the colors: the red, the white and the black color of the Siberia.